everybody, today we're going to be repurposing this medicine cabinet mirror. We're going to be using the Ready Prep Shock Paint in the color Blush, the Snowbound Color Blast, the Matte Finish, and the 1.5 inch brush. I made sure I read the directions on the Ready Prep and got some gloves and a sponge and started cleaning it up. Let me tell you, this stuff smelled so good. It was so light and citrusy smelling. So I just followed the directions to clean this up. And then what I realized was that I could actually take the mirror out. So that's what I ended up doing. So you will see when I start painting that the mirror part is actually gone. And here we are going with that beautiful blush paint. I love this paint so much. It's my favorite. And we're just going to start putting a nice thick coat right on here. I did one coat and that was it. The coverage was amazing. I made sure I got both sides of the edges as well, the inside and the outside, to make sure we got a nice full coverage. If there was a little bit of silver peeking through, I wasn't too worried about it because it's kind of adding to a little bit of a distressed look. So you can see we got it all nice. We let it dry. And now what we're doing is we're going with just a little touch of the Snowbound. I only put just a tiny bit on my brush, and my brush is damp from cleaning it. So I have some splotchy parts at first, but then I take that wetness of the brush and I really kind of thin out those little areas just for a little touch of color to give it a little bit more depth. You will see how it changes once I am done actually smoothing in that Snowbound. So while I had the mirror out, I decided I was going to turn this into a memory cork board instead. Once I got that Snowbound how I liked it, we're going in with our top coat once that all dried, and we're going to give this a nice coat and we're going to let it dry really well. And then you can see I put in my cork board. It's not perfect, but that's okay because you're going to have things covering it once you use it. And here's the finished product. I used it as a little memory board, and so I hope this gives you some ideas to repurpose an item from your house.